So before he hops in, I'm going to loosen the harness off. Alrighty. Place the baby's bottom as far back as you can and recline the car seat. It's going to naturally want to sit in this 45-degree angle or 50-degree angle. I'm going to put the arms into the harness and buckle at the crotch. Okay, do up the chest clip. Now we're going to make sure that he doesn't have lots of extra slack sitting around the legs like this. Yeah. And we're going to tighten the harness by pulling the strap down here. There we go. There you go. Now we're going to pull the chest clip up until it's in line with his armpits. Okay, so you'll note that the Cosco Scenera NEXT doesn't have an infant liner and it doesn't have an infant insert. It's crash tested this way from 5 pounds, which is 2.3 kilos. It's safe to use for newborns. And we do not recommend, and the manufacturer does not recommend, that you use third-party padding, so extra infant inserts that you might buy, because the car seat hasn't been crash tested that way, and it might change the baby's body position relative to the harness. And we're not sure that the car seat will do quite as good a job in an accident if that's the case. What you can do, what is approved by the manufacturer, is to take burp rags, burp cloths or muslin blankets and roll them up like a sausage if he needed a bit more support. And you can put these after he's all buckled in. You can put these on either side of him. To provide a bit of additional support. You shouldn't swaddle a baby before you've put them in the car seat, and you certainly shouldn't try and swaddle them underneath the harness itself, because it's going to reduce the effectiveness of the harness and the protection system in general. You can swaddle a baby after they're completely buckled in and secure in the harness itself. The way we do that is we ensure he's all buckled in, put the swaddle on top of the car seat, hold one arm down, tuck the wrap around the side of him. Okay, then we're going to repeat it on the other side. Hey, sweetie. Okay. The Cosco Scenera NEXT is a very flat-backed car seat, so we typically don't find that babies hunch in the car seat and that their chin touches their chest. But if you do find that to be the case, turn their head looking over one shoulder and make sure that the corresponding arm is upwards. That's a newborn reflex that's going to help open their airway. If you have any other questions on how to buckle your little one into the Cosco Scenera NEXT or any other car seat, you can find us at taxibaby.com. You can get in touch with us by email at info@taxibaby.com, Facebook and Instagram @taxibabyco, or you can catch us on WhatsApp or give us a call.